Hello everybody, and once again welcome to Synonomics, the money machine. Last Friday, most of the semiconductor stocks were down. To name a few, nvidia was down 3.5%, pretty much around 440. AMD was down 5%. Intel was down 2%. TSMC was down 2%. ASML was down 4%, and Applied Material that was down also 4%. Well, there are multiple reasons for that, but the most important reason that I'm going to talk about it today. Just to start that, of course, the market is a little bit worried about, though they have shrugged off their inflation numbers. The inflation number came year over year 3.7% growth. And I think the market is not worried about it anymore. I don't know how the Federal Reserve Governor Jay Powell has got the 2% inflation number. What's the science behind that? I don't understand. If you guys understand, please don't forget to comment in the comment section. I would like to hear your views on that. Well, that's still not the major reason for these stocks to go down. One of the most important reasons was the TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. They have asked their partners to kind of delay the delivery of the fab, as they are seeing a little bit of a slowdown in the market. Well, their Arizona factory readiness is also a little bit delayed because they are not finding the right skill set in USA. Surprising, right? They're not finding the skill set. There's a skill set shortage for installing the fab manufacturing units, and that's kind of delaying its Arizona plant. Well, they are seeing some kind of headwinds as well due to this skill shortage, the overall delivery of that. That said, this is not a surprise, guys. We know this since July because they did announce it during their quarterly result. It's just that the market is reacting right now because these stocks have already gone a little bit too far. The market is finding an excuse to sell. Having said that, PC market has pretty much hit the bottom, and we saw that in the Hewlett Packard's result, HP Inc. result. I have covered that in details. If you have not looked at it, please watch that video. Hewlett Packard thinks that there has still been the slowdown, continued slowdown in the PC market, and looks like it's pretty much hit the bottom, and that might impact Intel and AMD as well, because still if you look at the whole CPU market is driven by the Intel. Well, coming back to the point, TSMC results 2 months back did indicate all this. ASML also indicated that their EUV is seeing the slight slowdown. For some of you, let me explain. ASML's EUV is actually extreme ultraviolet photo lithography system. It's pretty much a monopolistic technology of ASML that provides high resolution in the high volume manufacturing of semiconductors. Having said that, I personally believe that these prices offer a great opportunity for investors like you and me to pick some of the stocks if we don't have it. If you don't have these stocks in your portfolio, probably you'd like to analyze them, understand their long-term, and these kind of short-term blips, the shortages actually offer a huge opportunity if you are a long-term investor and if you want to have these companies in your portfolio for the next 3 to 5 years. Remember, in The Intelligent Investor, Ben Graham has talked about Mr. Market, the psychotic person who comes every day and offers you to sell his stake in the company. So Mr. Market is your partner, and every time, every now and then, every day, he comes and offers you to sell his stake. When he's in a very happy mood, he will offer a very high price. And when he's very depressed because he's a psychotic guy, he will offer a throwaway price, a much lower price. Guys, Mr. Market is giving you the same opportunity right now. PC shipment is definitely slow. But when we look at the nvidia's order books, and that's not impacted by that, guys. The market is reacting to that. That said, the delivery could be slightly impacted because if TSMC is highlighting, ASML is highlighting, definitely there is some kind of headwind, and that might little bit slow down the whole process. Having said that, nvidia has confirmed that they are pretty much on track to meet their forecast for the next financial quarter. And even though there is a slight risk here and there, I personally feel that because of the PC shipments slow down, Intel and AMD will be the hardest hit. And that's what you are actually seeing. AMD has come down quite a bit right now, from almost $125 down to $100, close to that. And they have a little bit risk there, but not for the long-term investors. If you want to wait and see how it goes, maybe you can do that. But I personally believe that this is the right time to pick the stocks if you haven't got it. If you look at nvidia for an example, of the after hours, after it announced its quarterly report, it went all the way to 518, and when the market opened it was almost at 503, 505 all-time high, and right now it's trading at around 440. Guys, don't forget, in my previous video also I have covered that the consensus view of the analysts are $560 for nvidia, and the highest price target is $800. Yes, you have heard that right, $800 in 12 to 18 months time. So if you have that horizon, don't shy away, it's time to collect. Well, if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Remember, Semiconductor is out there to create the financial awareness, to give you the updates for the key stocks so that you can actually make informed decisions, analyze your own companies and make money. Having said that, guys, all these are my personal views. Many of these stocks are in my portfolio, so I can be biased here. Please don't forget to consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that, it's a goodbye from your finance coach, Pankaj Sinha. Bye-bye.